Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I am going to do a hairdryer pour, but I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. Typically I like to do a ton of color and blow that out, but sometimes I like to go a little more minimalistic on it, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a black and white background. So on half I'm going to do black, and this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I'll put black on this half, and then on half I'm going to do white. You can move these around with a spatula or something like that, but I'm actually going to just take my hairdryer and blow them out. I'm using a Remington hairdryer. It has a cold setting. For this, I'm going to just use blow air. All right, we got pretty good coverage. I'm gonna just add a little bit more in a few spots here. Just get it all filled in, and then we'll add our color. Now I'm going to go with kind of an interesting color scheme here. Something I don't think I've ever quite used together as a combo. I'm gonna use copper. I'm just going to take a little line here, not a lot. We already have the canvas covered, so at this point any color I put on here is just for the design. And then I've gotten a little bit of golden sun here and some royal purple. Now these colors absolutely can make a brown, but I am okay with that. It'll be a little more on the earthy side. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with the hairdryer, and I think I'm actually gonna go on high air and see how that goes. So once again, cold but high air. Okay, there we go. This is kind of minimalist, I would say, because we've got a lot of negative space, not a lot of color, but I actually really like this. It's simple and just beautiful. So I'm going to let this sit for just a few minutes, and then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so here we go. Even though we've got black over here, you can see some beautiful color in there. And then of course on the white side, the color's a lot more prominent. Over here I blew a bit of the black into it, so we got some gray in there as well. And we have some cells popping up. That golden sun that I used two metallics, but the golden sun particularly is quite the cell creator. So the cool thing about something like this too, it can be hung any direction, kind of whichever you feel like it. And if you want, you can also do a little bit more to it. You could take a straw and maybe blow out some specific points. You could take a stick and kind of add some line embellishments. So there's a few different things, but I'm quite happy with how this is now, so I'm going to leave it. So there you guys go. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.